Welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. I'm Ron Weingartz. Today, I'm here to talk about the RedMax EBZ9000 Backpack Blower. The backpack power wars have heated up, and we've got a new leader. This new 9000 is just incredible. It's powered by a new 79.4 cc engine. Very nice feature. It's a chokeless start. Just has a start button, which actually purges the carburetor, so you get nice, quick, easy starts. But the big telltale here is 1245 CFM. So in comparison, the RedMax EBZ8560, one of the more powerful backpacks on the market, puts out a very commendable 1000 CFM. So you got 20% more volume of air coming out those tubes. And what really makes it unique, they've done a great job using lightweight plastics where they're able to get that extra power by only adding 1 pound. So the power to weight ratio is absolutely incredible. Done a great job, actually improved the isolation, so less vibration to the operator. Very comfortable operator station with a nice big hip pads. Got a lot of blower hang on to, a lot of air coming out of there. Nice big air filtering system that's easy to clean with the snap connect, so it's easy to get off to clean. So they're really built on their tremendous reputation in backpack blower power and reliability, and just upped it one step further with this new EBZ9000. It is still available in 2 different throttle mechanisms based on operator preference. This is what they call the hip throttle. So this folds down for operation and folds up like for putting on your truck. But they do also have a throttle mounted control out on the tubes if you prefer those. It's the same price, it's a matter of personal preference, whatever you prefer. So if you're looking for the biggest bad boy in the blower world, this new RedMax EBZ9000 is the one you want to get. Thanks for listening today.
Weingartz, Weingartz,